Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to find Shein flash sales for 90% off. To find Shein flash sales for 90% off, you need to combine official sales section with hidden search codes and specific timing. To access the official flash sale page, you have to scroll down to the flash sale banner with a countdown timer, or you can get a direct link from your browser for flash sale section directly if you head to your browser and type in flash sale section. Or what you can do is go ahead and search for specific item, or just type in flash sale and you will be able to find all the flash sold items over here, and just select your product and you can purchase it. Or what you can do is go ahead and tap on this search bar and type in codes like ZC, 3 and K. You can find such codes in your browser, and once you've done so, you will be able to find all these items for 90% off. As you can see, it is shown at a very low price. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.